You use this remote to turn it on and off. You can also connect it to your phone. There's an app to connect to your phone to use it for the remote also. I don't have the app on Android, but it did work on my daughter's Apple phone, her iPhone. But I couldn't get it to connect on my Android phone. So don't lose the remote because you can't change the speeds and stuff. It goes up to 7.5. See, it goes pretty fast. Goes up to 7.5, so you can run pretty fast on it. And bring it back down. I'm going to turn it off. Yeah, it's pretty good. Only thing I only gave it a 4-star because I wish it had a cup holder for your drinks. Besides that, it's a pretty cool little machine for $350. The handlebars come up and down with this little clip right here. And all you have to do is really plug it up, put the screw in these handlebars, and screw this on. Oh, and attach this cord. Besides that, that's all you got to do.
Right side. Wrong side. Amazing. It's shredded.
So this is the walking pad that I have. It fits great under a desk. The only thing that I didn't love was that it was a little bit wide for the desk that I had, so I couldn't fit both the walking pad and the chair, so I currently just have it out in my apartment. But if you turn on the treadmill, then you can, it'll get started slow. And with the remote control, you can increase the speed. It goes up a decent amount, so you can get to a pretty fast walking speed. And it's super helpful if you do use it during work. There was a day that I got above 6 miles while walking, so that was pretty great.
This is how it is set up. It is not on carpet. Yeah, it sparks. And yesterday it was going at full speed after sparking like that.